Alright, so I was over here troubleshooting the truck. We did the oil change, we did the we drained it of water because it never had coolant in it, because it had a coolant link, but because I changed the thermostat, I mean not thermostat, well I did change that, but the water pump, you can see all that rust. I don't know why that's all rusting. Inside doesn't look rusted, it's all on the outside. This is a new brake master cylinder. Anyway, so I'm over here working on the truck, and then I noticed that this cable, or this hose, is just hanging down. Come to find out, this thing was broken. You can see a little bit in there. It's just soldered on. So it just popped out of that. So in other words, if I try to run this, it's just going to shoot. It's just going to shoot coolant out, and I don't think it's thick enough to actually put something threaded in there. So I thought, great, I'll just have to. Looks like brass. I'll just have to solder it back on. So I got this little kit here. $25 at Walmart, and it should do what I need it to do. So we'll get it cleaned up and we get that started. Alright, so I got a little bit of sandpaper. Gonna clean this off a little bit. Not that it was very dirty, but that's what the instructions say. Okay. I mean, I don't know how good that's supposed to be, but yeah, it looks good to me. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the flux out. It comes with this little brush. Ooh, it's all, I don't know if you can see the area it is. It's all on the side of the container, but that's okay. We'll just put a little bit in there. And we'll put some on the end. I've never done this before, so we'll see what kind of results we get. So, sits there just like that. I'll put the flux back. And I decided to go with this one because it comes with the click to start. The other one that I bought that I'm going to take back to Lowe's has, I think it's a little bit longer metal part on the tip there, but it doesn't have the click to start. So I just like for the convenience of that. Oh, and let's get our flux ready. So it comes with a little spool of silver-bearing lead-free solder. So let's see how she does. Well, that's a problem. If I tilt it too far forward, yeah, if you tilt it too far forward, it just blows out. That's annoying.
How do you...
Again. Jeez, come on. Most of it down there. I don't think it's sealed up at all. I don't know how well that's actually going to seal up. Oh my goodness, come on. This is not working out. Okay.
That just doesn't work well.
No, look at that.
What? Can I see what happened?
I can't actually shut it off. That's not good. Stuck on.
Wow. Hey Dad, look, I got
There
it.
you go.
Whoa. That's why you need to be careful. Now what is that?
Propane.
No. The little thing. Like fire thing around.
Oh, solder.
Solder. Oh, I know what solder is. What does solder do?
Helps us stick metal pieces together. There you go. Looks better. I just feel like I'm wasting all this solder though.
Don't breathe in the oxygen.
That's not good.
What?
Alright, well.
I told you don't breathe in the oxygen
Don't breathe in the oxygen.
because oxygen is very bad for
Let's
you.
see how well we did. Alright, let's see. Not bad, I guess. not great. There's still that little gap there I don't want. But pretty much all the way around. Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty good. I'm going to try to get that gap, and then I think it'll be okay. Probably didn't use enough flux.
I love you, Dad.
We'll clean it off. I love you too, buddy. Alright, let's see. Let's see how we can do that.
Whoa. Dad, see those plastic seats? Don't play those on fire because those can actually burn.
Nope. Plastic a little.
Yeah, that's dangerous. Why are you melting solder?
I can this joint.
Dad, the screw is actually funny. You know how it's funny? It's getting melted. The screw is getting melted. See?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Why is the screw getting melted?
See, what I don't like is it's off. And now it decides to shut off. Yeah, I don't know if I really like that too much.
Yeah, me too.
You can see all the solder that we wasted.
Can I see?
I'm pretty sure that just means that I didn't do a good enough job cleaning it.
Is that a screw?
But it's gonna keep. It's gonna hold.
Daddy, is that a screw?
No, it's a little
Bolt.
I don't even know what you call it.
Yeah, me too.
But anyway, she's back on. So hopefully she'll stay on.
That's the solder?
Yeah. So I'm gonna let that cool down a little bit. But I don't know. Actually, that's very hard at all. I just don't want any leaks. I don't really see anywhere where it could leak, but nothing. A few minutes with this thing. One thing I wanted to try. Let's see. Okay, see how this is supposed to be the web plane. Standing up, no problem. Start to tilt. Oh, now it's working. Wow, really? For whatever reason, when I get it close to that, I have problems, but let's see if we can turn it off. And now it's working.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Alright, so, I don't know. It's not bad. $25 comes with the whole kit, and these propane tanks are only $3 at Lowe's or Home Depot, so, I mean, I guess what you're really paying for is that, but, yeah, not bad.